Hi guys, welcome to this lecture of Module 12 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be talking about construction document phasing. So basically, what happens is in construction, like when you draw a plan, there are always some changes done during the process. So like we need 2 to 3 changes every time. So there is always a existing project, and then one there is a demolition plan, and then the final construction. So like first will be copying these level here. I'll make 3 plans here. I'll rename this. I'll go to the existing plan here. I'll make sure this is an existing here, the face, and then I'll draw the structure here. Yeah, so this is done, and then yeah, so this is the existing plan. So I need this door and the wall to be demolished. So I'll click on those. I'll select those here, and then I go to the face demolished. So I'll click on that, and then I'll select on new construction here. Now when I go to the new construction here, you can see this phase has become dotted. Dotted indicates that this has been demolished. I'll go to the demolished view here. Here you can see that the phase has been demolished here. You can see that. When I go to the construction view here, I'll select this phase as show complete. And you can see that that wall and the door has been. So I'll make a new wall here. Make sure that you select the proper phase which you're in, and I'll make a wall here, and the door like here. Here, and now when I go to the demolished view here, you can see this. If I select show demolished, you can see that only demolished part is shown, and the rest is in the light line. You can see this is the new plus existing. Yeah, so if you need to know how this phase filter works, you need to go on manage here, and then go to phases here, and then go to the phase filter, and then you can see all these options, what all they show by category. You can see show complete shows the new and plus the existing, and demolished and temporary are not. So this is how the phase filter works. Yeah, so now when I go to the new construction here, you can see this is the final view, and if I go to the existing, first phase is this, and then the demolished phase. This is the demolished phase, and then the new construction. This is the final. So when I go to the sheets here, when I display all this here, and then I press OK. Now when I show this on paper here, you can see this how these all three look side by side. Yeah, you can see this side by side. This is the existing plan, this is the demolished plan, and this is the new construction. So this is all about the construction phase.